Digital for us was always the idea of being innovative and also standing out in the marketplace. We had a new brand concept. We knew that our current menu system wasn't working, so we were open to new ideas and radical new ideas. And this gave us a point of difference in terms of our store experience, but also was dynamic enough to keep pace with our menu.
The new system allows us to manage the content centrally from head office or by a shop in real time.
We are actually a very responsive business, so we tend to make decisions quickly, and when we make them, we commit to them and really kind of roll them out for trial. And the Beaver Group were forward-thinking enough to kind of bring lots of solutions to us, and lots of solutions that actually fitted with how our business worked.
The e-project is fairly unique for a number of reasons. The size and the scale of the rollout is vast. We're looking at 3 stores per week. The complexity of the technical solution is such that we have built custom menu systems based on the Scala platform to deliver a very unique experience for Eat and their customers.
Primarily in our sector, people want fast service. We want to be able to serve quality food quickly. Quality food is the starting point, but the speed actually is facilitated by digital menu boards, because people make faster decisions when they're able to see the information and it's there presented to them in the way that digital menu boards allows that to happen.
One great thing that the menu manager's been able to do is allow us to trial new products in specific stores. So we always want to seek out our customer feedback, and in certain instances we'll put a new product into 10 shops. The digital menu boards allows us to offer that within those shops only, and then we can trial those products, get the customer feedback before we roll it out to the whole estate.
We've seen around 50 stores receive about 13,000 changes through the menu system in the last 4 months. That works out as about 3 changes per store per day. That's things like marking a product as sold out or changing one product to something else.
All our stores will have digital menu boards by the time we've completed the rollout. The rollout started with the launch of the Strand concept store in November 2012, and by the time we get to December 2014, every one of our 113 stores will be complete.
It's just so flexible is the key thing for us. Flexible and also just far more engaging than the sort of static content, so it brings a whole other dimension to the customer experience that we're trying to offer.
We have absolutely been able to benefit as a business. We've been able to maintain the speed at which the business changes and is responsive to customer needs, but at the same time we've been able to improve on how many things we actually do well and do right first time, because of the fact that you can actually have consistency with rollout with things like digital menu boards and not rely on executing something by talking to 115 people who then may choose to kind of interpret things differently. So it takes away a lot of the links in the chain where things were changed and perhaps not done as effectively and consistently as they needed to make the customer experience right first time. So they are absolutely committed. Of course there have been teething problems. You know, you will always get this when you're introducing something that's new, and equally when you're introducing something to a business that's never, had to really focus on that type of thing before, and everything's been done manually. But the benefits are there, and they're very clearly there to see, and anyone you talk to in any of our shops, shop management or all the way through, frankly, to director level, would be able to talk to you about how much of a difference this has made to our business.